As you can see, still stuck in the shed. That beanie's a bit dodgy, isn't it? But anyway, what I'm going to be doing today is an exhaust upgrade on a 200 series Land Cruiser. It's a DPF back. It's just one of the cheapest systems on the market, so I'm going to do a bit of a fit up on that, and also we'll do a before and after noise for you. This particular car is going to be heading off around Australia as soon as the borders open up, so we might do a little bit of a build up on that one as well. It'll be fitted with bull bars, etc. So yeah, keep your eye on the channel. There are other exhaust videos on my channel if you're interested in that. Have a bit of a look back. There's one I did on an FJ Cruiser. Hopefully this one will be a little bit simpler because it's, as I said, just DPF back. So yeah, let's get into it, and I'll show you what we've got. So this is a system. It's a Dandy exhaust system, around the $650 odd mark. Looks like pretty good quality. See what the fit's like, I suppose. Got all pretty nice, flanges and everything. Comes with a fitting kit. Standard system. Big muffler. Obviously your DPF's up the front. Got a join there. We're going to take that off there. We'll take it off the collectors as well. And then through to the back. So there we got the direct comparison. So obviously the black system, that's just a straight through. So we're deleting obviously that intermediate muffler and the rear muffler. So yeah, it'd be interesting to see what that sounds like. Yeah, it's pretty muffin. This is a cold start new system. Hit it. Give it a rev. Don't sound no different. Bit of a turbo spool. Just thought that was a good video for you, just so you can see what a real DPF back sounds like, rather than, some of these other videos that you see around the place showing nice notes and things just to sell, quite expensive exhaust systems. As I said, that one's around about $650. It's a mild steel system. We figure that, if it gets replaced, every few years, you can buy 3 of those for the price of, one stainless system. And by the way, it was a perfect fit, not like the hassles that I had with the FJ. So yeah, if you like that, there's Dandy exhaust mild steel system. And yeah, got any comments, by all means, give us a like and a follow. Much appreciated. Thanks, guys.